Experience the elegance and power of this 1958 Cadillac Sedan De Ville. Imported to Sweden from the USA in 2019, this four-door classic is now available for sale on the global market, with worldwide shipping options available. Inside, the newly restored interior is in immaculate shape. The exterior and mechanical components remain untouched, showcasing a beautiful patina on the original paint. Examples like this are becoming harder to find today. The trim has been aligned and polished, and while the chrome shows some age, it remains presentable. This Cadillac comes loaded with power steering, power brakes, and power seats, and the Autronic Eye automatic headlight dimmer, an innovative system that adjusts high beams automatically for oncoming traffic. The car has been inspected and approved in Sweden, drives smoothly, and everything works perfectly. This Cadillac is perfect for someone looking for a standout vehicle. With 20 years of experience in international car transactions, Door2Door Carbroker represents the seller in Sweden. Together with our sister company, Door2Door Global Classics in the USA, we assist buyers with a step-by-step process to ensure safe, worldwide shipping. Don't miss this unique opportunity.